friends, it is the 15th of August today and I am off to our first house inspection. I look really bad right now and I am very aware. I've been home sick all week with conjunctivitis, which absolutely sucks, and I have a cold as well. So my whole body is just completely shutting down, but we need to start having some inspections because before we know it, it's going to be time for us to move out and we're not going to have a house to go into. So I'm at our first house. To be honest, this is one of our favorites. So I'm really hoping it's as nice as it is in the photos. There's also another couple parked here waiting for the real estate to come. So that means other people are showing interest in the house as well. It's a really cute little house and for a really good price too. So I'll have to go in and see how it is. Rachel's at work at the moment, so she can't come with me this afternoon. So I'm going to take some clips to show you guys and to show her. And then at 4:45 later today, Rachel and I are both going to a different separate house, which isn't my favorite, but it is an option that we could go with if we wanted to. So yeah, that's the update. Let the house inspections begin. So it is now the next day. It is the 16th of August and Rachel and I toured 2 homes yesterday, and the first one was pretty good. That was the one I went to by myself, and honestly I could imagine myself living there. But then the second one we both went to and we both just fell in love with it. We could just really imagine ourselves living in that one.
It's definitely a home.
Yeah,
like it's not just like another house that was built to be a rental, which is like a lot of houses around us right now. Cozy little grandma house.
Yeah, we took an application from the real estate when we were there. We went home, we've been praying like crazy, so we've filled out our application and we're just about to go and drop it in. I feel like this is so quick.
If we don't get it, then that's totally fine, but it feels right.
Yeah, so why wait?
Our belief is that if we hand in our application and we don't get approved, or someone gets in before us or whatever else, then that's because that house was not meant for us.
Yeah,
so I don't think there's any harm in handing in an application.
Yeah, 100%. It's also weird handing in like a paper application. Like we haven't done this before.
No,
so like it just feels very formal and like a big moment. But anyway, we're gonna go in and hand it in. We still have a lease on for like another month, but
we're happy to move.
Yeah, we're not too worried about when. So ASAP is great.
She gave me a quick reference over the phone, but just before I send it through to the owners, I do need something in writing.
Yeah.
And yeah, hopefully I'll have an answer for you before 5 o'clock. If not, first thing Monday morning, I'll give you a call and let you know how it all went.
That's
awesome.
amazing.
Thank you so much.
No worries at all.
Thank you. Hopefully we'll talk to you soon.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you. Does that mean we're approved?
Literally waiting on reference and then we're approved.
Didn't you just apply?
We applied this morning. We applied this morning. Time to pack.
It is Saturday morning and I'm about to head into work, but I just wanted to update you guys, letting you know that we got a call yesterday from the real estate agent asking a couple of questions about our application, and then after that she was going to send it to the owners. So she said if we don't hear back from her that afternoon, then we would hear from her first thing Monday morning. So we didn't end up hearing back from her on Friday afternoon, which is completely fine. We were waiting on a couple of things from our real estate agent. So it is Saturday today, and on Monday morning hopefully we get the call saying that the owners have approved our application and we can go in, have a meeting, get the keys. Oh my goodness. She could also call us and be like, you didn't get the house, but I feel like everything has gone so smoothly for this house that it's almost like meant to happen. That's the update. I'll obviously vlog on Monday and let you know what's going on. This is crazy. Good morning, friends. It is 9 a.m. on the dot on Monday morning. Today is the day that the real estate agent said that she would call us to let us know whether we got the house or not. I am freaking out. I want this house so bad, but I know that if we don't get approved, then obviously it's not the house that Rachel and I are meant to live in. I'm just trying to be expectant, you know? Rachel's out grocery shopping at the moment. I doubt they're gonna call us exactly on 9 because the office opens at 9, so they're gonna have to have a little bit of time to like start working, you know? But I start work at 10 today, so I need to leave home at 9:30. I just wanted to update you just in case we do get the house because this is super exciting. I'm gonna continue getting ready for work and I'll update you later. We just got approved. We're approved. We got the house. We just have to do all the paperwork. We're going to go sign the lease on Thursday because they said that's the earliest they can get it done because there are a couple things that need to be fixed at the house, which we already knew about. That means that we could get the keys on Thursday. Oh my goodness. I need to go call Georgia. It is Thursday, the 22nd of August. It's 4:30 p.m. and Rachel and I are about to go back into our real estate and sign our lease.
What?
What the heck?
Our lease. Busy
Our
lease.
lease. Our house. The content house.
The studio house.
What? What?
I just came from work, sorry about my outfit.
Yes, and I still have conjunctivitis.
We're just out here looking our best.
We really are. So we're gonna go in, sign it,
and then we
get the
I
keys.
think we get our keys, do we?
I hope so.
I assume so. I'm pretty sure as long as the money has been transferred.
Yeah.
If the money hasn't transferred, then they can't do the official handover. But I transferred it on Monday, so.
Yeah, it should be. And then we get to go see the house. We've both driven past it just to like look.
I've driven by it almost every day.
That was weird. Did you see that fan?
Yes.
It's like starting your childhood again.
Oh my freaking goodness. So excited. I love these little shelves. We put plants on there so they can hang down.
I hate those. What is the point of that? Glazing 101. Don't use those. Is this no one's room?
This is our office.
Surprise!
This is my bedroom. This is our backyard. And these are our trees that we really have to not kill so we can get our bond back. And these are our veggie gardens. This one can be for veggies and this one
For flowers.
For flowers.